Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's Devon. I got a special review for all of my garage workers out there. I'm talking my garage family. People who started here, aiming their way to get to the top. At least that's my goal. I'm trying to get that building. When I get secured, hey, I'm gonna look back on these videos and the things that I've been through and say, man, let me educate anyone I can while I'm on my journey. So what I did was, I set up this review because it's based on lighting. Lighting is a big issue when you're doing anything out of your garage, any type of work. You want that proper lighting, right? So what I did, I saw a post. I gravitated to it by looking at it. I'm like, dang, now that's a must. I gotta try it. And what it's based on, like I said, it's based on the lighting. And I got lighting all around the sides of the garage. I got my regular lighting up top and I got my garage light. So that's multiple lights. And then when I need extra lighting, I have to add my floodlights. I don't want to have to do all that. Honestly, I don't. So what I did was, I wanted to do this review. Beyond Bright, that's the name of the company. Beyond Bright produced this light that has 3 blades on it. Got 3 blades. Now this here is telling me that I can get 300% more brightness in my garage. 3,500 lumens. It lasts 30 years. 30 years, man. Come on now, I'm into it. Got me already. And it's energy efficient. Operates on just 40 watts. And it gives you details, more details, but it's showing you the before and after. So you got your, it's giving me what I want visually. But to actually go through exactly the changes that I can physically see, it's showtime. You got some big shoes to fill. You got some big shoes to fill, I'm telling you right now. And what this is, it screws directly into your regular light fixture. So if you see the bulb, you see the connection. It's regular bulb. How can we go wrong with that? It don't even take much. Y'all ready? Let's waste no more time. Let's go, man. Let's try it out. That's the competition right here. I got my garage door light, which has a bulb on this side and a bulb on this side. 2 separate bulbs. Then I have my regular garage light. Now that light is pretty bright. It's a 100 watt daylight bulb. So therefore it packs a lot of light. Alright, so competition, like I said, these 3 compared to the Beyond Bright. That's what we're up against. Let's go. Unbox the product. How you gonna put the product in if you don't unbox it? We're gonna go through all the steps, man. Not all of them, but we're gonna go through the steps, man. It's pretty simple. Don't need a brain for it. Alright, so we got our product here. I'm gonna go ahead and take everything out. This ain't scripted, as you would say. This is all natural. So the product came in, pretty secure. Came in pretty secure. I gotta get it out. So, you got the product out. Pretty secure, as I mentioned. Beyond Bright, delivered correctly. Alright, so we got it. And this is how it sits. Take it out, right? Of course, you got your instructions inside the box. That's common sense. Read your instructions. All right? And you got the blades. They adjust. As you see, they adjust, man. That's nice. Because you might want your light somewhere else other than straight down. If it's adjusting in different angles, that's a plus. Already, that's a plus. If you know what I'm talking about, you know the plus side. So then you got your regular input right here. That's regular. Common. You go up, you screw it in, and boom, you got your light fixture. Alright, then you got your on and off switch here. That's your on and off switch. And pretty much, man, don't get no more basic than that. If you see the lights, you see the adjustments. What more can I say? Let's go. down to the end of the video. And before I even proceed, I'm gonna say beyond bright. Everything I just said is all packed into that one light. Them 3 LED blades around that thing, oh, they working. They giving me everything. Honestly, if I had 4 of mine, mount all 4 of them up and I have a full, complete booth in here. But with my garage door light, I don't even have to cut that on. I don't even have to use it. I can base everything that I need off that one light. Now, with me reviewing this product, I must say, I don't regret buying it. I don't regret it. It's giving me everything that I expected. Everything that you see on that description box is true. They're true statements. They give you exactly what they're showing you. Now, if you got any more comments that you want to know about this product or item, just let me know. Message me and I'll message you back as soon as possible. Also, you want to see more of these videos, let me know. Let me know what you may want to see and I'll try my best to display it for you. Hopefully this helped you and maybe you can help somebody else. Hit that subscribe button, y'all. It's right here. I thank y'all for checking out this video. Hope to see y'all on the next one.